Man's best friend relies on man, and woman alike, to make sure that he gets what he needs and nothing he doesn't. For the most part, dog owners are meticulous when it comes to looking after the health and well-being of their faithful mutts. But in terms of what you can and can't feed him, you probably know most of the list by heart. Most entries to the list of forbidden foods such as chocolate, milk, other dairy products, and alcohol are obvious, but a new study from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration suggests that there's one particular agent commonly found in gum that is also dangerous if consumed by dogs and in some cases fatal. In its report, the FDA said that xylitol has the potential to kill a dog if consumed in a high enough dose. Also known as sugar alcohol, xylitol is used in thousands of sugar-free chewing gum varieties and other candies as well. And while we humans don't have to worry about consuming xylitol with our gum, it could be deadly to our pets. Over recent years, the U.S. Center for Veterinary Medicine and the FDA have dealt with countless cases of animals being poisoned after consuming products containing xylitol. However, reports of alleged animal deaths resulting from xylitol consumption have only recently begun to emerge. One of the questions experts are still struggling to answer is why the effects of this particular artificial sweetener are so different between humans and pets. When a human consumes xylitol, it has no effect on the release of insulin due to it not affecting the body's blood sugar levels. But with dogs, xylitol prompts the pancreas to release a heavy dose of insulin due to it being absorbed into the bloodstream very rapidly. In extreme cases, this can lead to a massive and near immediate plummet in blood sugar levels, causing the dog to become hypoglycemic. Along with keeping all products containing xylitol well out of the reach of pets, experts advise pet owners to be aware of the possible signs and symptoms of xylitol poisoning. Indicative symptoms are very similar to those of humans with dangerously low blood sugar levels, including seizure, fainting, a lack of coordination, weakness, and disorientation. If you believe that your dog may have been poisoned with xylitol, it's essential that the animal is taken to an emergency veterinary clinic immediately. Symptoms generally manifest between 30 minutes and a day after ingestion, meaning it's not always immediately clear if the animal's life is in danger.